Introducing the revolutionary Mavimare GF300 BHD Evolution Hydraulic Steering System, an innovative solution for outboard motors up to 300 horsepower designed for precision, performance and elegance. The fixed hose hydraulic steering system is engineered to support single outboard motors up to 300 horsepower or twin counter-rotating engines connected with a tie bar. Its advanced design ensures smooth, responsive steering, delivering superior control and reliability. What sets the GF300 BHD Evolution apart is its patented fixed hose design. Unlike traditional systems where hydraulic hoses pivot and move with the steering cylinder, this innovative design keeps the hoses fixed at one end of the cylinder. This innovation results in a cleaner, clutter-free installation with enhanced functionality and a modern, streamlined aesthetic. The fixed hose design not only streamlines installation, but also improves durability and simplifies maintenance. Whether you're navigating tight spaces or open waters, the GF300 BHD Evolution ensures dependable and effortless control. Mavimare products are proudly designed and manufactured in Italy, utilising premium materials from the finest Italian and European suppliers. Key components like the helm pump valve, rotor and distributor are expertly crafted in-house with state-of-the-art CNC technology. Experience the exceptional performance and sleek design of the Mavimare GH300 BHD Evolution Hydraulic Steering System. Explore our full range of premium marine solutions at promtparts.co.nz.